I'm going to walk you through the Ad Generator Premium version. We're going to go to Generators tab right now, and I'm going to select a blueprint. And here are the components inside the Ad Generator. First of all, you're going to see the Big Idea Generator. Now, this is a simplified version that every customer has access to. And this is where you can create a big idea for these specific set of ads. Now, these ads are going to be related to the blueprint that I chose. In this case, it was Benson. This tells me how many words I have left on my account before I have to buy more words. You'll see a message if you have to buy more words. And a couple of very important things to note. First of all, you will see a field, a button called Show All Blueprint Fields here, which shows you the blueprint fields that you will need to complete this particular step inside of Benson. So I'm going to show you why that's necessary in just a moment. First of all, we're going to create a really cool big idea. A big idea is exactly what it sounds like. It is what is the campaign idea. And you can roll over this mouse over here, right here, and it will tell you exactly what it is. It is the overriding theme, a solid big idea that can carry an entire campaign. And Benson's going to create 10 of them. You're going to click save, and you're only going to save the ones that you like. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. And right now, I'm going to pretend like I don't have anything set up. Like if I go from big idea to the setup, you'll see that everything is cleared out. I normally have a big idea for Benson, of course, but I'm going to show you how this works from the very ground up. So what would I do to get big idea data? Well, I might go to a YouTube channel and search for, in this case, copywriting tip. And I'll look for copywriting examples and tips and things of this nature. So I might find something in here. Here's a complete copywriting tutorial. Here's my friend Alex talking about 10 copywriting tips and triggers. Okay, so I'll just click on Alex because I like it. Now, this is not the only thing that you can use for big ideas, obviously. I'm just going to grab the content. So here's the content of Alex's video. I'm going to copy this over here, go back over to the big idea, copy and paste it up here. I'll take this out, and I will use this as fodder to create a big idea. I'm going to click continue and click the magic button. And as you will see, here are 10 big ideas. Okay, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to scroll through here and see if there's any that I like. I actually really like Stealth Influence Gets Past Your Customers BS Meter. I'm going to choose this one. So what you want to do is just delete anything that you don't like or hit regenerate or rewrite if you don't like it all and have it rewritten, and click save again. This is saving it, and now it's saved. So now if I go to the setup field, you're going to find that this is going to be saved inside of my setup field. If I click here, I can see the big idea. I can edit it right here if I want to, which is handy. So I see all the fields I need here. How long do I want this ad to be? I'm going to choose medium. But notice if I type in and make it, so all of a sudden I can't hit continue because we only got one word here. So you're going to type in one word, medium. What's the style? I'm going to say bold and engaging. You can say anything you want. There's not a right or wrong answer here. You can also copy a style. Like if you have an ad style that you like, you can copy that ad in here and say, model the style after this ad, and copy and paste the ad in here, and you've got your style. It's really cool. This is also a place where you can put your own words. So follow the style of my previous ads that I wrote that you want it to sound more like you. Now, it's not going to sound exactly like you, but it's going to take some of the idioms, some of the word choices, some of the pacing, and put that to Benson's creation. Is there anything that you want Benson to focus on? You can focus on a blueprint variable. You can focus on something like it's Black Friday. You can focus on that. You can focus on anything you want. So I'm just going to say, since it is Black Friday weekend, I'm going to focus on Cyber Monday. Hit continue, and that's going to take me to this next step right here. Now, if I needed to go back and edit the setup, I would click here. And notice I don't see anything, but that's cool. Just click show all the blueprint fields, and I can edit anything. The big idea, the link, this, change it, close, save. Pretty straightforward, okay? So let's go to this ad generator. This ad generator is a blind ad. What that means is you mouse over this, it's 100% curiosity driven. It keeps your big idea and offer a mystery. That's very good for clicks. Some people love blind ads. So I will create a blind ad. I can create a reveal the big idea, which I personally like, but it still keeps it a little bit mysterious and a little bit blind. It doesn't tell them exactly what it is. And this one reveals everything. Reveals the offer, reveals what it is, reveals the big idea. It's more of a straightforward ad. And all three of these ads have a place inside of the ad world. So you want to try all three, experiment around. All you have to do to create an ad, simply click on it. I'm just going to click down here because I like this one better, and click the magic button, and Benson will go to work. And it's going to tell you what it's doing as it's doing it. and boom, the ad is starting to write. It's writing a completely unique ad based on your blueprint and based on your big idea. So what was the big idea again? The big idea was all about the BS meter that your customer has. So let's see what Benson did with that. Your prospects can smell a pitch from a mile away and they shut you down before you even get started. Customer sales revenue all slipping through your fingers. What if there was a way to get your message across without saying alarm bells? Now, why am I using this for an AI tool? Because the AI tool produces ads, campaigns, sales copy. So I don't need to talk about AI. I need to talk about what it produces. That's where I wanted the big idea to come from. It's talking about sliding past skeptical buyers. Make your copy irresistibly persuasive. No more flashy gimmicks. Okay? Notice it didn't have to say, oh, it's the BS meter. Sometimes it will. Sometimes it will come right out and spit that out. Other times it will write around it. It's unique every single time you hit this rewrite button. Look, it's Cyber Monday for a limited time. The ad goes right into this. It won't last long. Take action now. There you go. So there's my ad. I can save it. If I don't save it and I try to go somewhere else, you want to do that? No, I want to save it. Boom, now it's saved. You can create multiple ads, one after the other right here. All you have to do to create another one is click this rewrite button. It'll go through the same exact process, create a fresh new ad right here to the right of this. And that's how easy this is. Now, when you get the ad that you like, you can refine that ad. You can go down here. You can say, I want more trust. I want more urgency. I want you to write it like a fifth grader. I want it to be more informal. I want it to be juicier. I wanted you to kill the hype, kill the poet. All the refiners that Benson is well known for, you can write and refine all you want. And the good thing about refiners are we don't charge you for the refiners. Notice the word count didn't budge. So you can refine this ad, rewrite this ad all you want. We only charge you for the initial writes and anytime you click the actual rewrite button.